Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will have another video presentation, and this is part of Trading Tips 101. So in this video, we will discuss how to snipe a new token, a new cryptocurrency that has been listed in decentralized finance. So normally, this coin is not yet available sa mga big centralized exchange like Bybit, BingX, Binance. And normally, it will be listed in decentralized finance like Uniswap, Jupiter, or Radium. So pag-uusapan natin yan ngayon. So this will be a mixed English and Tagalog presentation. At primarily guys, we will discuss how to snipe meme coin in Solana network. Since Solana network have a cheaper gas fee compared to Ethereum network or other network. So, ang pag-uusapan natin, ang gagamitin natin dito is our Phantom Wallet. So, I hope guys, you have already installed your Phantom Wallet, and we have a video about it on how you can start and create a Phantom Wallet. So, now let's proceed to our screenshot and discuss how I will snipe or you will snipe a good meme coin or altcoin in Solana network. So here is one of my example of a good uh, altcoin, meme coin that I discovered in Solana network. So I purchased it for $200 and then I add nung nagkaroon ako ng technical analysis. If you can see, hindi pa siya nagpa-pump. The coin is not yet on a parabolic curve or not yet pump, no? Hindi pa nag-i-increase yung kanyang presyo. But as you can see, what happened is after few hours, naging $800 siya. From 200 to $800. Ganito na kasi yung chart natin. Yan. So I pick up this one or I get this coin somewhere in 0.032, and then uh, after I saw two big candles in 1 hour, I already take my profit. And I'll discuss to you kung paano ba tayo magte-take profit, ano yung mga gagawin natin, and how to avoid rug pull coin. So pag-uusapan din natin how to avoid rug pull coin. So now, ano ba yung mga kailangan mo? So tignan nyo rin why I choose Solana network. First of all, most of the meme coins right now are in Solana network. Meron din tayo sa Ethereum, we have also in Base, but the problem is we have a big gas fee. So what, for example of this screenshot of mine, I bought an Andy in Ethereum network using Uniswap, and I paid $15 in just gas fee. So ngayon, kung gusto ko uling ibalik yung Andy ko sa another $15 to $20 ang babayaran ko. So imagine that I spend only for buying and selling one coin for around $50, which is not recommendable. Kaya mas nire-recommend ko, ito isa ring example, yung ETH2ETH nagpalit ako for base para naman siya maging base sa network. Ang laki ng gas fee, pumapatak $40. Okay? So, meron tayong Change.io. I will not discuss it. Kung meron kayong Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then you just send to Solana. So, I hope guys, ito yung isang example ng mga pag-spot natin, snipe of rug pull coin, no? So, papakita natin yan. So, first of all, tignan natin yung Phantom Wallet natin. So you have to have a Phantom Wallet at meron ka dapat Solana doon. So what you just need to do, if you watch the previous video, at least you have Solana, deposit Solana on this network. Just copy it from your Bybit, Binance, or other platform or whatever wallet you have na meron ka ng Solana. So you have to purchase Solana and then send it on this address. Copy mo lang yung address mo. Sa address mo siya, syempre, ipapadala. Once na meron ka ng Solana, you are ready to go. Tapos may Phantom ka. So what website you need? First of all, dapat meron ka ng Jupiter. I suggest Jupiter. Puntahan nyo lang yung jup.ag. Okay, and just make sure to connect your wallet. Like for example, this one, I disconnect my wallet. Kailangan kung saan yung Explorer mo, doon din yung iyong uh, Phantom wallet. So like kumuha ako ng Phantom wallet as I mentioned in the previous video na pwede sa Firefox o kaya Chrome o kung ano man ang Explorer mo. So once you have already the Phantom wallet and Solana, you are ready to go to buy and snipe a good meme coin in Solana. So particularly why we choose Solana, Solana have a lot of meme coin coming around every day, but 80% of that is rug pull. So you have to be very careful about it. So I'll teach you how to see if that coin is quite confusing or doubtful and a probability of it is a scam. And then uh, kung paano tayo bibili. How you can buy that coin, a good coin. So, first of all, you have to connect your wallet, Phantom, confirm, and then wallet connected. Okay, you will see on the left side of your screen a confirmation that your wallet is connected. So, ang gawin nyo na, so now you are ready with your wallet and Jupiter. Dito tayo bibili kasi sa Radium guys, napakamahal. Sa Radium ay napakatagal, no? Masyadong matagal bumili yung confirmation. And make sure your sleep page setting naka-default yan sa 0.05 pero baka mag-transaction failed ka. So, save it in 1%. Yan yung ibabawas. Slippage is actually the difference between asking and bidding price. Parang similar na rin siya sa gas fee mo. No? Yun na yung pinaka-gas fee na binabayad mo. Which sa Solana, normally 0.003 lang. Napakaliit. Cent lang yun. Cent dollar lang yun. So now, ang isa sa pinaka-importante is yung DEX screener mo. Dito kasi sa DEX screener, makikita mo yung mga bagong labas na coin sa Solana. At the same time, yung mga matatagal ng coin. If you will click the new pair, ayan, kung titingnan mo yung new pair, ayan yung mga lumalabas. Pero it doesn't mean na lahat yan ay lihitin mo. May makikita tayo dito siguro yan. Like for example, this one, nakita nyo negative 100%. Yan yung FIKE, yes. Na-try ko yung kahapon. Ngayon, wala na siyang value, 0-0 na. So if you buy it immediately yesterday, definitely wala na rin yung pera mo. Kahit magkano nilagay mo dyan. Imagine mo, ang naging volume yan ay 1 million. So, napaka-delikado talaga. So, take note, disclaimer lang, this is not a financial advice. And what I'm saying to you right now, this is a very risky part ng pagtitrade o pagbili ng coin. Kasi you are buying a new coin that are not listed in centralized exchange like Bybit, BingX, or Binance. So, hindi pa yan na-screen kaagad nila. Okay? So, possible 80%, 70 to 80% dyan ay possible mga rug pull coin na tinatawag. Now, normally, nagfi-filter ako dito guys. So, pwede ka ng Solana, then put trending ng 24 hours sa buong Solana. Ayan, trending pa rin ang Book of Meow. Uh, Pati yung panties na tinatawag. Pero, ano ba meaning ng panties na to? Makikita mo dito. Yan. Mamaya, yung website nila, you can visit it. So, puntahan natin kung paano tayo maghahanap na. So, once for example, nakita mo na to, uh, normally, I'm changing my filters to 72 hours. And then, mas gusto kong minimum liquidity is 100,000. Pwedeng 50,000, it's up to you. Okay? So, once na nakita mo na, hanap ka ngayon ng coin na mas mataas ang liquidity. So, 100,000 pataas. So, itong book ko, kung mapapansin nyo, itong Book of Bull Run, 65%, 24 hours, lahat green, 5 minutes green. So, you can click this one. Pagka na-click nyo na yan, yan na yung graph niya for ilang minuto. Nag-start siya kahapon. Okay, kanina lang, kaninang umaga, 2:00. So, wow, tumaas na nga siya. Okay, so maganda rin tong Book of Bull Run kung sa chart mo titignan. So, dito sa DXY screener, guys, makikita mo dito yung mismong contract. Halimbawa ito, BOB siya, Book of Bull Run. Yung gitna ang pinaka-contract niyan. Okay? So, pwede mong i-copy yan, yung gitnang yan. Bakit? You can go naman sa DEX tools na tinatawag. Hindi natin tatanggalin yung Bumyo na yan. So, ito naman yung DEX tool. Bakit? Meron kasi silang magandang review. Halimbawa, yan, lalabas. Kinapi ko. Remember, I copy the address of the contract nito. So, ang gagawin ko sa DEX tool, copy ko lang yan. And then, kung i-down ko yan, meron yung DEX score, which is, this is a good one. Normally, 80 pababa ang mga delikado. Okay, and then makikita mo rin dito sa DEX store yung mga, ayan, may bumili ng $20,000, isang wheels yan, no? May nagsal ng 1,000, may nagbay ng 2,000, o 7, may bumili ng $7. Lahat yan sa Uniswap, o sorry, sa Jupiter, sa Radium, sa network, sa buong network ng DeFi, lumalabas to. So makikita mo ngayon na tumbok bull run ay pwede ngang tumaas na. Binabantayan ko actually to kung bumili, kung hindi ko pala binenta yun dito. So, pero check natin. Now, so nakita mo na sa DEX tools, una, naghanap tayo sa DEX screener, then another is dextools.io, and then tinignan mo ngayon yung score. DEX score niya, okay. Ito, wag niyo pansinin to kasi mga nasa community lang yan. So, anyone. Pero syempre, kapag ka mas maraming votes at mas mataas na percentage, ibig sabihin, mas maraming nagtitiwala. Okay? Pero hindi yan ang main na basihan ko. So, una yan. Okay? Ang good thing dyan, kapag kakinlik mo dito sa Dex Tools, guys, yung, yung taas na to, makikita mo ngayon kung may website ba sila. Check. May website. Mahalaga yan. Meron silang website. Okay, good. And then may Telegram sila, may Twitter sila. Ilan na ba followers sila sa Twitter? Normally, mabababa pa yan. So, this is 4,000 pa lang. Okay, good. So, ang hindi lang dito good, to be honest, wala pa siya sa CoinGecko or sa CoinMarketCap. Which, mas maganda, meron na siyang CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Yun ang pinaka-the best. Pero, yan pero, wala pa sa centralized exchange. Like Bybit or Binance or BingX. Yun ang mga magagandang para sa akin yun ang primera klase na meme coin na meron ng CoinGecko. Naklisted na sila. Kasi bago ka magpalista diyan, talagang dino-double check nila. Okay. So, mamaya natin titingnan kung paano tayo bibili nito. Now, after nito, gusto ko tong tingnan lang natin ngayon tong rugcheck.xyz. Ang rugcheck.xyz ay para lang sa Solana token. Papakita niya sa iyo kung good or bad ang token na yan. Okay, so inintay natin, loading score. So, good siya, wala siyang pula. Okay. Pero ang ngayon, ibig sabihin lang nito, kakaunti lang yung liquidity niya. Okay, pero so far, so good. Kasi good siya. Makikita mo yan, warning. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yung mga possible na makita mo, lalo na kung yan ay possible na rug pull o scam. So meron ka ng rug check, na check mo na. So definitely, you will decide now. So, and after that, tumitingin na ako ngayon ng chart. Pagka ganyan, so close na natin yung Twitter. Maganda siya, may website, good lahat, mataas ang score. So, nakopy na natin. Dito naman sa Dextus, nakopy ko na yung address ng token. So what will I do now is bibili na ako. So kung bibili na ako, gagamitin ko si Jupiter. Ito yung pinakamabilis. So meron akong Sol. Kiklik ko yung Sol. And dito, ito yung pinaka ano guys, importante, i-click mo yan, make sure na hindi ka nasa strict, nasa all ka. So, kasi yung mga bago, all pa yan. Yun, okay. Lumabas na yung book of bull run. So, i-click ko lang yan. And then, magkano ba ang gusto ko na book of bull run? So, tingnan natin kung half masyado mataas to. So, naglalaro sila sa 11. So, sabihin natin na bili ako nito ng 7,000. Okay. Yan. It will be worth of $80. So, ang gagawin ko lang is, isuswap ko yan. Okay. And I need to click the confirm button here on my right side. And ito ang transaction notice niya. If this will be successful, magkakaroon ako ng 7,000 book of bull run. So we have to wait the processing. It will take a few seconds or few minutes depende sa traffic ng network. Kaya dyan magkakatalo kung mas mataas yung slippage mo, slippage settings, okay. So transaction confirm. That's it. Meron na ako ngayong BOOB. Makikita ko na yung book of bull run ko dito sa wallet ko. So I have 7,000 which is worth $80 na book of bull run. So I just need to monitor it. Ngayon, medyo worry lang ako minsan pagka wala pa siya sa CoinMarketCap. Kaya what I doing is hindi ako nag-i-invest ng more than $100. Okay? Kasi baka ma-rug pull ka. Ngayon, paano ba natin masasabi yung rug pull? Kapag ka nakita nyo, nag-check kayo dito at warning ang lumabas. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng example ng mga ganyan na mga coin. So, halimbawa, ito, good din to, itong Stanley. Okay? Makikita nyo, pagka chinek nyo yung wallet address niya, tingnan natin. Matagal. Ayan, so good na lumabas. Okay. Now, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang coin na ito, yung mga possible scam, no? So, katulad nitong MJ, Mokel Jordan, parang ganyan siya, no? Kahapon, lumabas siya, yan, Mokel Jordan. Pero danger siya or warning, makikita niyo yan. Kasi, top 10 holder, high ownership. Kapag ka more than 10% kasi ang hawak ng isa, yan, magbibigay siya ng warning dyan. Kasi pwede niyang i-dump ang price niyan. Kung binenta niya yung worth na 50% hawak niya, o kaya may creator siya. Yan, and then, kung sisilipin nyo guys, ito, makikita nyo rin sa SolScan. So, ito yung address niya. Kung titignan nyo dito sa ating, yan, MJ, makikita nyo na wala na siyang DEX score. Okay. So, ayan yung mga, pero okay naman ang contract verified. Honeypot niya, okay naman siya. No. O ano yung honeypot? Normally yan, yung mismong developer, nasa kanila yung, yung malaking amount. Gagatasan lang nila yung kanilang, ayan, no? Whether the token is a honeypot, which means that the token cannot be sold because of the token's contract faction. And the token contains a malicious code. So may malicious code yan na sila lang ang kayang magmaniobra yung naggawa ng coin na yon. So that's another uh, red flag na coin. So pagka ang score ay masyado ng mababa sa 90, kung gusto niyo talaga safe, mababa sa 90, wag niyo na lang bilhin. Okay? So, makikita nyo yan. If you want to take a risk, yung mga 80 above, okay. Pero kapag ka below na doon, may mga red flag na doon, wag na. Technically yon, wag nyo nang kuhanin. Okay. Now, ano pa yung kailangan natin? So, unang-una, ito yung mga dapat nating tandaan guys, no, sa ating isusulat ko dito para makita nyo. Okay? Yung mga importanteng uh, bagay na tatandaan natin. Okay, bukas kuha tayo ng Word. Okay, para lang maipakita ko sa inyo. Okay. So, ito no, para makita nyo. Una, dito sa ating i-reviewin lang natin. Pagka sinabi nating mintable, nami-mint siya, hindi yan meaning kaagad na yan ay scam pero o rug pull, pero hindi siya maganda kasi yung nangyayari yung supply niya walang limit minsan. Okay? Tapos kapag meron kasing tinatawag na buy and sell tax, ibig sabihin kapag ka bumili ka, kakaltasan ka kaagad ng 5% doon sa binili mo and straight go to creator. At meron yan kapag ka red flag yan dito sa pinitignan nating rug check, no? Dito sa website na rug check. Kapag ka nakita nyo may pula yan, there is a possibility na namomodify niya yung tax. Biglang nilalagay niya 50%, 99%. So lahat ng token na binili mo, pupunta lang sa creator. Ito ang isa sa high token holder. Nakita natin yan kanina dito. Ano, yung uh, high token niya na tinatawag. Kuhanin natin yung isa. Ito. Masyadong marami ang nag-o-honor ng mataas. Meron ding isang single percent ownership, 77% lang. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung possible creator. Which means, once he sold all his ownership, all his token, the price will go down. And technically, parang, ano yan, first in, first out, sila ang kikita. Yung mga last in, naging pyramiding scam na siya. So, nangyayari yan dito sa Memcoin. Kaya sabi ko nga, this is a very risky part. Disclaimer lang, this is not a financial advice. I'm just giving you information on how to get a good Memcoin. So, nakuha na natin yung pinaka-importante. Then, ayan, kailangan nyo ng DEX screener, DEX tools. Then, kailangan nyo na rug check. Tapos, mapapansin nyo dito, dito sa ating rug check na yan, napakaraming mga rug pull. So, I'll give you example na isang rug pull na nakuha natin ay itong Catube. So, if I'll go here, meron akong Catube pa rin. Pero, tingnan nyo okay. Then, I'll go to Solana. I-try ko siyang maximum. Okay. Wala na. Error fetching na siya. Tingnan natin ulit kung ano mangyayari. Minsan ang lumalabas, wala na siyang value. So that's one of a rug pull. So kailangan nyo lang guys, bago talaga bumili, you have to double check everything. Pagka na double check nyo na, okay, ayan. No, here, ayan, wala na siyang value. Price impact is more than 5%. 100% more expensive than bird's eye rate. So, no use kung ipapalit ko pa yan kasi magbabayad pa ako ng transaction fee. Mas mahal pa yung binayad ko sa transaction fee rather than I will receive SOL. So, that's an example. So, make sure guys, pupunta kayo dito sa RugCheck 1 and DEX Tools. Now, pagbili, napakasimple lang. Just copy the address here. Una, sol siya and copy the address here. So, kung halimbawa, kuha tayo ng BOM, bibili tayo ng BOM, kahit dito sa DEX Tools, may address dito sa left side. Okay, once na nakuha nyo na yung address, ita-type, ika-copy paste nyo lang dito. And then boom, lalabas ang BAMMEW. Okay, Book of Meow. So, yung Book of Meow na yan, i-click mo lang yung swap. That's it. You can already have the token. You already bought the token. Ngayon, gusto mo nang ibalik sa Sol. Yes. Bakit Sol? Ang Phantom kasi is primarily sa Solana network. Now, yung iba, tsaka natin i-discuss yung Uniswap, but I'm not recommending, kaya hindi ko na ginawa sa video na to. Kung bibili ka sa Uniswap, i-connect mo MetaMask, primarily MetaMask yan guys. Pero pwede rin ang Phantom, but not all network ay pwede. Even the base network. So what I did is I teach you about Solana because this is have a cheapest transaction fee which is 0.000305. Kung i-compute mo yung 0.0005, tingnan natin. Okay. 0.00 0.305 i-times mo sa magkano ang Solana ngayon? Ang Solana ngayon ay 173. So times 173, sentimo lang, 0.05 cents lang ang binayad mo sa fees. So ganyan kamura. So next is you really have the JupAg swap. Kahit i-search nyo lang yan dyan, Jupiter. Pagka sinearch nyo na ang Jupiter, okay, wag kayong Jupiter wallet swap, sorry. Search nyo yung Jupiter swap. Ito yan, jup.ag. Okay? Ito yung network. Make sure lang guys, ingat kayo sa mga extension. May mga extension na ipapasok nyo yung 12 phrase ng inyong wallet. Huwag nyo nang gagawin pagka inasyon ng inyong extension. Dapat kasi yung mismong Phantom Wallet extension, alimbawa, yung Phantom Wallet nyo, okay? Yan. Ito, lehitimo yan, yung Phantom Wallet extension natin. Phantom app, galing yan dito. Then, you click download for desktop. Yan, Firefox. So, ito, mga lehitimo, galing sa website. Pero kung maghahanap ka lang through Google, tapos hindi siya legit, it's a big no. Ingatan nyo yan. Yan pwedeng mawala buong pera nyo. Ang dami ng report na nawawala ng nahahack yun. Kasi unang-una, mga phishing site, pinapasok nila yung 12 phrase nyo. So kung napanood nyo yung previous video about Phantom Wallet, mahalaga panoorin nyo yun para magkaroon kayo ng detalye kung paano mag-create. Okay? So summary lang tayo. You really need at least to have a Phantom wallet. Once you have a Phantom wallet, you need to have Solana on that Phantom wallet so you can buy your meme coin. And then you have to be ready with your dexscreener.com. Once na meron ka na ring dexscreener.com, you have to ready your dextools.io, and then you just copy paste your contract, no, para makita mo yung score dito. Primarily, ang habol natin sa dextools.io, yung score dito. At the same time, nakikita mo rin yung mga buy and sell. Meron din tayong bird's eye, which kung type nyo lang yung bird's eye, pwede rin naman. But this is more on makita mo yung mga halimbawa, if tinype natin to, yan, sa BOM. Okay. Meron naman makikita mo yung transaction kung may mga pumasok na bang whales 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. So that is birdseye.so. So yung contract na to, ito yung book of meme ko, book of meow na inaabangan ko, yung muling pagtaas. Okay. So now, nakita nyo na paano bumili. Now, if you are looking now sa chart, what can I teach to you? What you can do if you are looking for a chart. So, importante guys, at least, no, kapag ka nakita, may mga tinatawag kasi tayong parabolic, magre-retrace yan, and then up, magre-retrace yan, up. Ngayon, makikita nyo naman, meron tayong down dito ngayon. So, isa to sa mga goods to buy. And then, yung volume niya, medyo maliit pa, so we are waiting na lumaki yung volume niyan and mag-pump siya. If you want more on technical analysis, pwede nyo naman samahan ng RSI dito. We have a lot of indicator sa dextool.io na magtuturong sa inyo. But in meme coin, okay, pinakamahalaga na laging intayin nyo yung pullback o yung pagbalik niya sa support area. And then you buy. Okay? Kung nandito ka naman, isa pa, meron mga normally ganito, ito nakikita nyo yan. So meron tayong sideways na galaw, and then possible pump. And next, don't forget, dapat may website siya. At kung nakita nyo na siya, anuhin na natin itong Book of Mau. So, puntahan na natin itong Book of Mau na to. So, nung ni-research ko siya, itong Book of Mau, okay, yan. Kung kiklik nyo to, mapapansin nyo, meron na siya sa CoinMarketCap tsaka CoinGecko. Kaya makikita nyo dito na very promising yung coin na to. And then even the website itself, if you can see the website itself, napakaganda. Even yung Twitter nila, very active. Yan, meron na silang 10K followers, and as you can see, they have a very even marketing nila, pinapakita nila, they posted in the street in New York City, their effort, the marketing itself. Ang website nila talagang matino, maganda yung pagkakagawa, and very catchy, interesting yung Mao, kasi yung Book of Meow. Kasi nga yung Mao na tinatawag, MEU, ay nag-top siya, kasama siya sa top 20 meme coin ngayon. And then yung BOM naman, Book of Meme Coin, sumikat din siya. So, they are expecting, ito naman, Book of Meow ay mag marami rin. And then if you will go, ayan na, pinuntahan na natin ang coin market cap ng Book of Meow. Kung titignan nyo, ang market cap niya ay umabot na ng 22 million. Kaya expect nyo na malaki. And then, yan, pagka tinignan nyo guys ang market, when you see the market, it's just listed in Bitmart, which is not a very well-known centralized exchange. Available lang siya sa Jupiter and Radium and Orca, which is a very good sign. Why? Pagka yan ay na-listed in Bybit, in BingX, in BitGet, or other centralized exchange, expect that Book of Meow can have a good price. Possible 2x, 5x, 10x, or more than. We really don't know. So you have to do your research. Okay? So, yan yung mga primary klase na coin na pinipili ko. Kung wala man lang siya sa Book of Meow, at least dapat maganda siya dito sa ating rugcheck.xyz, and then yung score niya dapat dito sa uh, Dex tools natin ay mataas din. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo dito, even sa Book of Meow, sa Dex tools, yan, 99.99. That's what I'm looking. Kung meron man yan, mababa man yan, 80 to 90, you discreetly, it's up to you, but I will not go more than $100. But if I'm a good coin, katulad nito, I go already for almost $300. At actually, kumita na ako dito, tinanggal ko na siya, and then inintay kong bumagsak. As you can see before, I show you the screenshot, no? Dito, inintay ko muna siyang bumagsak. Okay, so siguro mga 500 talaga yung gain ko. Nakita ko na kasi yung pagbagsak. So, pag ayan, yung pagtaas na yan, nakikita niyo may mga target ako, I use extension fib. So nung na-reach na yung target ko, yun ang isa sa mga magaganda nyong gawin guys. For example, nag-times sa 2 na ang pera nyo. For example, this is $100. You invest $100. Nag-200 na siya. Ibalik nyo na sa Sol yung $100. Okay? So, safe na yung capital nyo. And of course, go for a TA pagka nakita nyo nasa peak na siya, okay, yung basic market structure o gumawa siya ng lower low, it's time to sell. Hindi kasi natin alam kung papampa siya uli. Or, eto, nahuli kayo, dito kayo time to buy. Yan naman yung time to buy nyo dun sa mga retracement na yan. Okay, so I hope guys naging maliwanag yung ating discussion sa ngayon. So just make sure that you understand. First of all, you really do your research kung rug pull ba siya or a good coin. So you can use your Dex Screener and Dex Tools. And of course, our rug check that XYZ is very important. And in Dex Tools, it's very important that it has a good score, Dex Tools score. And after that, you decide. And don't forget also to check if they have website, and a good coin is listed already in CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and not yet available in uh, major centralized exchange like Bybit, Binance, or BingX. So once kita nyo na yon, and how do you purchase? At least you have Phantom Wallet, you have Solana, okay, and then you go to Jupiter and swap it, copy the address of the meme coin that you like to buy, and that's it. Click swap and make sure to have a slippage setting of 1% and wait for to take your profit. Okay, so I hope guys may natutunan kayo dito on how to buy meme coin in Solana, primarily on Solana network using Jupiter. And of course, as I mentioned, this is not a financial advice. You have to do your research, take care of your investment, and this is for educational purposes and additional information that you could earn through buying in the centralized finance wallet or exchange. Okay, so klaro sa atin yon. I hope guys, naging maliwanag sa atin lahat, and thank you again for watching in Earn Money at Home Worldwide. If you feel na risky para sa inyo to, it's better you just buy in Bybit or in BingX. Nasa description. Bilhin nyo na lang yon, doon kayo. Don't expect a bigger reward. Iba kasi talaga yung reward na galing dito sa pagbili mo sa decentralized finance, mga decentralized wallet. Iba talaga, mas malaki siya kapag ka nakuha mo yung gem. Pero sabi nga, once na nakahanap ka ng 50 token, you can find one or two gem only. Ganun yan. So, tsambahan kumbaga. No, matsambahan mo yung good token na ito ay promising pala, and then nag-boom sa market, and that's it. You can get times 20, times 50, times 100 pa nga ang nagagawa. At dito yumaman yung iba. But 90% to be honest of spot trading, sniping, meme coin are losing. 90%. Kasi hindi nila ginagawa yung tinuro ko. Bili lang sila ng bili, that's it. Hindi nila talaga inaral, or by the sake of, imagine nyo kung bumili ako ng rug pull na 4, so I lost already 200. Good thing is I bought actually 2. So yun, yung una $20 lang. So testingin nyo muna ng $30. Pero pag kaya nasa coin market cap, good to go. Okay? So I hope, don't forget to register in my Bybit and BingX if you want a centralized finance exchange, mas safer, okay? Lesser risk, as mas madali mag-trade, and we have bonuses also in Bybit. So thank you again for watching here in Earn Money at Home Worldwide.